I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to make pizza with chicken. We begin by preparing our foundation, the pizza dough. You can use a fresh store-bought dough or make your own from scratch. After letting it rise for at least 1 hour in a warm spot, gently stretch it out. Aim for a 12-inch circle, roughly 1/4 inch thick, creating a perfect canvas for our delicious toppings. Next, let's add some incredible flavor. Spread a thin, even layer of your favorite pizza sauce across the prepared dough, leaving a small border for the crust. For our star ingredient, use about 1 cup of cooked, shredded chicken. Before scattering it over the sauce, season the chicken lightly with a pinch of salt, pepper, and a dash of garlic powder to enhance its taste. Now for the cheesy goodness and additional toppings. Generously sprinkle 1 1/2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce and chicken. This creates a wonderful, gooey layer. Feel free to add other favorite toppings, such as thinly sliced red onion or colorful bell peppers. Remember to distribute all your toppings evenly across the pizza for a balanced and flavorful experience in every single bite. Finally, it's time to bake and enjoy your masterpiece. Place your pizza in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is beautifully golden brown and the cheese is bubbly. Once out of the oven, let the pizza rest for about 5 minutes. This allows the cheese to set before you slice it into 8 equal delicious pieces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.